Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Fatina Jiha. Like to tell you guys the application of these ideas towards the present days. We can actually apply these ideas on our daily use, such as cars, phones, machines, and any other technology. And to be honest, we can actually remain precisely like 62% that it could be applied, that it could be accurate if everyone played their part really well and taking it up seriously on successing these ideas. Realizing that it is still earlier to say goodbye, I like to elaborate, guys, and share a little bit details about my ideas, since everyone keep asking me what is actually our main ideas and does it why can it change the world for a better one. So we want to improve and increase the life expectancy of batteries so it can last longer for a better use in our days. By that, we can achieve a whole new stage on industrial world. We can actualize this talk by enhancing our manufacturing of cars, phones, laptops, and many more. Last but not least, I deeply care about these things, ideas, and projects because I want us to thrive to the future by upgrading our necessities, our needs, and our technologies.
Besides, our boot target were teenagers nowadays. It is because they're gonna be a leader one day. The main point in this book, we're talking about an idea in the making a big change in the future. This idea for guiding next generation to build a good technology in the future, as what can you see now. Some battery products have to charge multiple times instead of stay for a long term. Secondly, I want to talk about how graphene battery really exists. Did you know what is graphene battery? Graphene is composed of atoms, which each atom forms a vertex, just a single layer of atom. It is the most efficient conductor that could hold energy 6 times higher than copper. For example, graphene can revolutionize a shocking number in industries, rust-free ships and cars, smartphones, sport, equipment like tennis rackets and many more. For our ever-thinning smartphones, moreover, it is more durable, increase the technology will be good to go into batteries. This obviously says that graphene enhance battery and charge as soon as possible. In conclusion, best batteries are very much relevant today. We want a modernization technology in the future, don't we?
Now it's my turn to praise and critique the book. First and foremost, the book contains information about batteries, such as their uses, their evolution, and their details. You know, it's very impressive if we doesn't need to charge our phone for another month. The accuracy of the information presented, I think, is accurate at least 63%. The book is very beneficial to the next generation because it can expand their mind. Unfortunately, the book explanation sometimes make us a bit confusing and puzzling. This makes us harder to understand the point presented. Thankfully, the illustration aid is quite helpful to make us more understanding of the information contains.
Hi everyone, to give my opinion about this book and the rating and recommendation to this book. For me, this book is so interesting because the book share about technology nowadays. It has more of a chance of making a difference in life people. This book also hold my attention for learn about technology in more depth. I think other people like to read this book if the people like about technology. I learned more things about technology from this book. First, I learned how much like seeing solid-state batteries in the technology that we use every single day. Excitement around solid-state batteries is understandable with companies like Toyota teasing solid-state batteries. Second, I know technology have some drawbacks that solid state is trying to solve, and to understand this drawback, we need to look at the basic component of a battery. There is a positive electrode and cathode. Third, I also how does a solid state battery solve that problem. They replace the liquid electric with, you probably guess, is that most often a ceramic or glassy electric. Besides that, technology have a big improvement with safety, but a bigger benefit of solid electric is the ability to use other materials like lithium metals, which has a higher theoretical storage capacity. Lastly, Mercedes show off their Avatar concept car, which is made of environmentally friendly materials that fully recyclable, that got a lot of headline. I think I want to read other books by the same subject because a good book is one that makes the reader feel. However, e-book book need only be good to the reader to make a difference in life. My favorite part from this book is about solid state battery because it about technology nowadays, but at the same time I learned how important to protect our earth from environment pollution. So that's all from me. Thank you. This book also has explicit and implicit content to be communicated to the public. Nowadays, more people use technology, especially for everyday life. I want to learn more about technology so I can advance the country.